Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek.
Wait. Hello, Prachi. You were not live actually, so please can you repeat that? I'm switching to the slides. So please tell me when to change it.
I was not live. Okay.
Yeah,
So shall I start from the beginning?
yeah, sure.
Okay. I hope I'm audible and visible to everyone here. Abhishek, am I
Yes,
audible and visible?
yes. You're audible and you're audible and visible to us. Please proceed further.
Okay. Okay, so let's start the webinar. I would like to thank everyone who has joined the webinar and welcome to WP Event Manager webinar. My name is Prachit Basu and I work at WP Event Manager as a content writer. So today I'm going to tell you about how WP Event Manager can take your events business to a different level. Okay, so let's start. Abhishek, we would like to move the slide to the next one.
Hello.
Hello,
Shall
Abhishek.
I?
Please move the
Yes.
slide.
Okay.
The slide has not moved yet, Abhishek.
Okay. Wait.
I think there must be some technical issues that we are facing currently.
Yeah. Now you're ready to latest one.
Okay,
Hello,
can you just move
Prachi.
the slide from this to the next one? Hello?
Yeah, sure.
Please move the slide.
Is it? It's my screen is on share. Wait a second. Yeah. Done.
Can you please share your screen, Abhishek? Your screen is still not visible. Is my screen visible? I'm trying to share my screen as well, but I think I don't have the permission yet.
No problem. I have shared it. Is it visible now?
No, not yet. Yes. Please move to the next slide. Okay. So so now let's discuss the agenda of the meeting. I mean the presentation. That is, we will start with the objective, then we'll slowly move to WP Event Manager introduction, the problems that most event managers face, and then how WP Event Manager helps solve these problems, and why you should go for WP Event Manager. Who can use the plugin, the key feature of the plugin, getting started with the plugin, introduction to the popular premium extensions of WP Event Manager, its user growth, awards and recognitions that WP Event Manager has received, global reviews, and how we have managed to touch different lives all over the world. And at the end of the session, we will be showing you some of the reviews that our happy customers have added to our website. And we would also love to see you at that section one day. Okay. Abhishek, we can move to the next slide now. Okay, so moving on to the objective, that is, the objective of this webinar is to let our viewers know about the plugin clearly so that they can understand the concept of WP Event Manager and how they can use the plugin to manage their events online. Abhishek, can we please move to the next slide?
You sure?
Yes, so that's the introduction part. So, what is WP Event Manager? WP Event Manager is nothing but a WordPress event management plugin that helps you fulfill all the event management requirements through your WordPress website. All you need to have a WordPress website to use the plugin. It has a plethora of features. It has got some amazing features that cover almost everything from creating an interactive events calendar to managing registration and ticket sale. A to Z of events are covered with this plugin. Next. Okay, now we are going to discuss some of the very important aspect of event management. That is the problems that today most event managers face. So let's start. Offering all the first problem that we have mentioned over here is that most event managers face a problem of offering a centralized location or a single place to access the details of all the details of their events. I'm going to give you an example for this. For example, you must have been if you have a WordPress website, I say a dedicated WordPress website for your events, but your website visitors or interested attendees might have to go somewhere else to register for the event, or somewhere else to buy the ticket, or somewhere else to get the details of the event. So this is one of the problems, because sometimes it happens that if a website visitor have to continuously change the website or pages to access or get the details of a specific event, it becomes a bit tedious for that person. So this is one of the problem that they face. In number two, we have increasing the number of attendees. Okay, this is one of the major problems. I think everyone will agree that every event manager faces, because the motto of every event is to attract as many attendees as possible, and this is where the problem comes. Engaging audience. Suppose you have somehow managed to attract a lot of attendees to your events, but you somehow have failed to boost engagement in your event. Like if your attendees don't participate in your event properly, or if they feel bored, or if they feel someone from outsider, or they are not able to contribute to the event, then it is one of the problem that your event must be having. The next one is registration, of course. This is another challenge which is associated with the number of attendees, because we all want as many registrations as possible. And registration is directly linked to ticket sales, because say if five people have registered for your event, it is not necessary that these five people will buy your ticket. So registration is one challenge, and convincing these people to buy your event ticket is another challenge that every event manager faces. The next one is event promotion. Why event promotion is so important? Because promotion is the only way through which you can reach out to your target audiences, and you can let them know that you're going to organize an event. The next is managing guests. You may have a lot of guests in your event, but managing them in a systematic way is a challenge that every event manager faces. And another challenge is, suppose you're having an in-person event. See, when it comes to a virtual event, the question of venue doesn't come. But when it comes to an in-person event, then venue becomes a very important thing. And getting all your attendees to the right venue is also a challenge for event managers. Well, I have specified some of the major challenges that event managers face, but there are more to it. Moving on to the next slide. Abhishek, please change the slide to the next one. Thank you. Okay. Uh, okay. We have another slide over there. But okay, I'm going to tell you over here how WP Event Manager helps. WP Event Manager firstly offers a centralized location for all types of information that you're offering regarding your event, be it your event details or your event tickets, registration, venue, organizers, everything you'll get in on your WordPress website. So this is one of the biggest advantage that you get with WP Event Manager. It brings all your event information on your WordPress website so that your visitors do not need to go anywhere else to get them. The next one is, it offers an interactive calendar that displays your event dates and details in a very attractive way that easily attracts eyes on your the eyes of your website visitors, which can also sometimes work as an event promotion. because you can, when the viewers can see that the calendar has some highlighted events, they can easily, they automatically get attracted to it to find the details of it. The next one is event registration. WP Event Manager has premium add-ons that has specified solution for event registration and ticket sale. To know about it, you need to visit our official website. Guest management is also easy with WP Event Manager because it lets you divide your guests into various categories so that you can manage them systematically. Excuse me. Next is personalized event promotion. This is another advantageous thing because personalization is the key nowadays. Because when you personalize your promotional activities, your attendees feel closer to your company, your events. That is why it is very important that this feature is also offered by WP Event Manager. Another important thing that WP Event Manager offers and solves the problem is that the attendee data management. Suppose you're organizing a big event where a huge number of attendees going to arrive. At that point of time, it becomes really difficult to manage the attendee data, the information that they provide you during the registration process or the ticket selling process, to manage them systematically, to have them at a place where you can access anytime when you want. So, with the attendee data management system of WP Event Manager, you can also simplify the process. Last but not the least, WP Event Manager offers Google Maps and lets you highlight your events on Google Maps so that your attendees can easily access the place where your event is happening and they can reach the place without any hassle. The next one is moving on to the next slide, that is why WP Event Manager. This is, I think, one of the the strongest point of our plugin, that why we always ask our target audiences to use us, to try us, is here are the reasons. So we have what we always say, that we have extraordinary plugin features. Next is our premium extensions are amazing. They are also enriched with lots and lots of features that you need to find on our official website. User friendly interface, easily customizable. Our website is designed with a very simple coding structure, what makes it easier for coders or developers to make any sorts of changes that your business might be requiring on the plugin, and you can use it, and that too without affecting the actual setting of the plugin. The next is affordable pricing structure that we are going to discuss in detail at the end of the presentation. WP Event Manager is backed by an amazing support team. They are always available to help our customers and to solve their queries and any problems that they might be facing. We have hundreds of positive reviews and ratings to show that we how hard we have worked for our customers. Awards and recognitions are also our plus point, and the achievements that we have somehow managed to get because of the support of our wonderful audiences and brand credibility. Let's move to the next slide, Abhishek. Okay, so who can use WP Event Manager? Being a content writer, I come from a non-technical background, but today I can tell you that I know about the plugin. I have used the plugin, and trust me, I can use the plugin without any help because it is a very easy to use plugin, and even a person with like me who has a very little technical knowledge can use it without any help. So for who this plugin is, if you are someone who just want to take your event with business online, you can use the plugin. If you are having an ordinary WordPress website but you want to turn the website into a full-fledged event management platform, you can use the plugin. Someone who has little technical knowledge can also capable of using it. And people from various, it's not that you always have to be associated with an event industry. People from various professional background can use this plugin to simplify their professional life. For example, you can be a teacher who manages recurring events. You can be a fitness trainer. You can be a music teacher. You can be anyone. If you are organizing events on a regular basis, then WP Event Manager is for you. Abhishek, can we move to the next slide, please?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So now we have come to one of the most important parts of our presentation, that is the key features of the plugin. So, what are the key features? Let's discuss here. WP Event Manager is fully responsive, which means the plugin is suitable for any device. Like you can use it on your mobile, you can use it on your desktop, you can use it on your tablet, anywhere. The screen, it suits with every screen size. Customizable. WP, one of the biggest advantages of the WP Event Manager is its customizability. The coding structure is simple. That is why it can be customized as per different business requirements, because we believe that every business is unique and they have different requirements. It is not necessary that my business requirement will match with your business requirements. And that is why, keeping this requirement in mind, we have made this plugin super customizable. SEO friendly. This plugin, if you use this on your website, it will also help you have secure a higher rank on Google, which is one of the most important aspects of every website today. Next is Field Editor. WP Event Manager, if you are a website owner and offering your website to different organizers to showcase their events on your website, you can use this Field Editor option to customize the event submission form for every event organizer. Whatever details you want from them, you can add in the event field editor. Or if you want to edit, or you can want to if you want to delete some of the fields that you feel not necessary, you can do that as well. Next is multiple views. WP Event Managers offers two views, that is, one of them is list view and another is boxed view. The next one is freedom to operate. The best part about WP Event Manager is that if suppose there is an admin and there is an event organizer, so your event organizer doesn't have to be dependent on you to submit an event submission form. Why? Because we offer front end forms. And if that as an admin you have to approve, and as an organizer you just have to fill it up to submit your event. The next one is event preview before going live. You can get an event preview before going publishing your event online. It means that if you think that something is not looking good, or if you think some information has to be edited, you can simply do it before publishing it. The next one is easy event classification. This comes under the category of event categorization. Means suppose your event is based on sports activities, you can categorize it as a sports event. If it is a musical concert, then you can categorize it under the concert section, and many more like this. The next is event dashboard. The event dashboard is also something that helps organizers who are offering multiple events. Like they can access the dashboard and get the details of all the events that they are offering on your website. The next one is effective operation. With the event dashboard and with all these facilities, you can make your website very powerful for all types of operations, event related operations. The next one is organizers and venues. You can get your organizers can get all the details. Your organizers, your website visitors, and everyone can access the details of organizers and venues with ease on your events website. The next is template override. WP Event Manager gives you the option to customize the templates, plugin templates with ease. Next is multi-language support, which means that you can turn the plugin into your preferred language. It is not necessary to use the plugin in English only. You can turn the language into any of your preferred language to make it easy for you to use. Page builder. WP Event Manager has amazing page building capability. It is compatible with Gutenberg as well as different page builders like Elementor and many more. Abhishek, can we please move to the next slide? Okay. So the next slide is about getting started. How you can start with WP Event Manager. To start working with WP Event Manager, you just have to install the plugin and get ready to work with it. To know how you can install it, you need to visit the knowledge base section of the official website of WP Event Manager. That, and let me tell you that the installation process is super easy and you can do it automatically as well as manually. Abhishek, can we please move to the next slide? Okay. Now I'm going to introduce you to some of the popular plugins of WP Event Manager. It means the popular add-ons that WP Event Manager has. WP Event Manager has more than 37 premium extensions, and each of them are designed to fulfill specific event requirements. Let us let us introduce you to some of the best-selling uh, plugins of WP Event Manager. At first, I would love to talk about sell tickets. Sell tickets is something that can easily transform your ordinary WordPress website into a ticket selling platform, event ticket selling platform. You can sell your own event ticket as well as monetize your website by giving your giving others the scope to sell their event tickets on your website. The next is event registration. This is another important plugin that WP Event Manager offers. It simplifies the entire registration process, not only for you, but also for the attendees. It offers a customizable registration form that your attendees need to fulfill, and you can customize the form field as per your requirement. It means that you can collect the details that you want from your uh, attendees. The next one is event calendar that I have already talked about. The event calendar plugin is designed to help you display your events in an interactive calendar and highlight them. The next one is Expo Networking. Now, I'm going to talk about the next three plugins in a row, like Expo Networking, Zoom, and Speaker and Schedule. These three plugins are exclusively designed by the designed for virtual events. The Expo networking is for the virtual exhibition that where you can add interactive booth, interactive sessions, whatever you like. It is something that can turn your virtual event into an in-person event, which is not in person but offers all the facilities that an in-person event does. The next one is Zoom. So WP Zoom is designed with the combined strength of Zoom and WP Event Manager. So Zoom is a plugin that you can use for your webinars, for your virtual meetings, conferences. It carries all the features that Zoom offers. Okay, the next one is speaker and schedule. With the speaker and schedule add-on, you can display your speakers and their timing in your event with ease on your website. The next one is event countdown. This is a new addition to our plugin family. The event countdown plugin lets you display an interactive and attractive event countdown on your event page, registration page, and sell tickets page, where you can let your audiences know about the time that is left for your event. The next one is Google Maps. This plugin I already have discussed. This is a plugin that lets your events be displayed on the Google Map. Next one is mobile application. This is another very useful plugin that WP Event Manager offers. One of the biggest advantage of the mobile app is that the mobile app can be used even when you're offline, because our internet connection sometimes ditches us. So what to do at that point of time when you don't have to worry when you're with WP Event Manager? The mobile application stores all the data that you have added into uh, the mobile application, and when it restores the internet connection, it starts working again. The next one is event alert. Event alert is something that your attendees get. only that too if only they prefer. It is not that you unnecessarily keep on sending event alerts to your attendees. No, they have to give the consent, and they have to say that they uh, allow you to send your event alerts. Then only they will be receiving regular alerts for your next event. The next one is export event. Export event is another important plugin with which you can export your event data from anywhere to WP Event Manager. Let's move on to the next slide, Abhishek. Okay, so we have come to the pricing structure. WP Event Manager plugin definitely is enriched with various features, but trust me, it is a very affordable plugin. You can purchase it in bundles or separately. The core plug, let us tell you this, the core plugin is absolutely free for users, but to get advanced features that the premium plugins offer, you need to pay a little amount. If you require a lot of plugins, then we would suggest that please go for a bundle, because bundles are even more affordable than buying them separately. Our plugin bundles include Event Manager Pro, Event Manager Pro, Event Manager Plus, Virtual Event Manager Pro, All Event Manager Pro. So to get all the details of these bundles, please visit the pricing page section of our official website. Let's move to the next slide, Abhishek.
Shall I move
Abhishek,
to
can
the
we
next?
please move? Yes, yes,
Shall
please.
I move?
Okay. So we have come to the annual user growth. So we have added as many features as possible to our plugin to make it easy for only the users. The plugin is for users, and it will always be for the users. So let us tell you how we have grown the user number of users from 2007. The plugin was designed in the year of 2017, and now at that point of time we only had 1200 users, but today we can proudly say that we are a family of 22,000 people. People all around the world are using our plugin. Their appreciation, their criticism, everything encourages us for to do better and better for them. Next slide, please, Abhishek. Okay, now this is something that I feel really proud to say, that awards and recognition. So from 2022 to 2023, we have received back-to-back three awards and recognitions. That is something we are very much happy about. In 2022, we have acquired the second position as from the Monster Awards as a best booking and appointment WordPress plugin. Next, in 2023, the World Brand Affairs have recognized us as the most trusted Indian brands. The Again in 2023, just a few days before, we have received the recognition. We have been honored as the fastest growing WordPress company in the world MSME Business Awards. Let's move on to the next slide, Abhishek. Okay, so we are definitely an Indian company, but we have global reach and global review, and that's why we are here to show you the global reviews. We have reviews in different platforms, and you can see our reviews and stars over here. The next one, please, Abhishek. Okay. As I have mentioned, we are an Indian company, but we have a global reach. Today, we have customers, we have users in Asia, USA, Europe, Africa, and Australia. And we are really, really thankful to each and every user for their amazing support to the plugin. Moving on to the next slide, that is We, as I said before starting the webinar, that we would also like you to join our hundreds of happy customers. We would like to see you in the family of our customers. Use us, try us, and see why we are saying this. Don't just believe in our words. Use us to know why we are different from others and how we are different from others. Whether you're a startup, whether you're an established enterprise, try us to know the difference. So, here I would like to say thank you for your patience. We have come at the end of the webinar, and if you have any questions or queries, let us know about it. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for waiting here and listening to me. And here I would like to mention one thing, that our plugins are definitely affordable, but we also run discounts and offers at time to time. Like today, we are offering a 10% discount on everyone who are attending our webinar. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Bye.
And moreover, I would like to tell you that we are having discount code of 10% off on all our products with if you use WPEM10 coupon code. I'm posting
Thank
that
you for
into
that.
the comment section.
Thank you for mentioning that. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Bye.
Yeah, any questions from anyone? Any questions? Anyone having? You guys can comment the questions. No? So shall we end this? Okay. Thank you everyone for joining.